lo hulumeni obriefwayo akasi ukuthi kwenzakalana emphakathini wakhe uyabriefwa omunye utshena omunye nomunye atshena omunye nomunye amanage isimo aqamba amanga kufika sokwamanga axovene ekhanda kuthiwa kulandelwe protocol ebolile, a rotten protocol. Zinja, you have failed us, you have failed the whole country, I'm telling you. So into eyenzakalayo ke la ukuthi ke what is important, EFF had proposed ukuthi kuzoba national shutdown kuzwe lonke jikelele, ukukhala ngalezi ekade ngikhuluma ezinye zazo, unemployments enyuka ngendlela eyisimangaliso, phinde futhi bayizokhalaza ngendaba ebaluleke kakhulu esishaya sonke kagesi, kushayisana imoto emarobhotini ngenxa kagesi, abantu bangena endlekweni ngenxa kagesi, abantu bawela amabhizinisi ngenxa kagesi, abantu bayadutshulwa emnyameni babulawe ngenxa kagesi, abantu baneyinkinga ezi-serious in their homes, they can't call their relatives, their families because abachajile azafa umuntu ngenxa kagesi. How many murders our government have caused in our society as a result of energy crisis in this country? Mingaki imndeni ezilile nebulewe ibulawa uhulumeni ophethwe uRamaphosa in this country ngenxa yokuthi ugesi kawukho, those consequences happens as a result of ugesi awukho. Ama-fridge abola, abantu bengadli besitafe bagcina sebeyontshontsa bethi bafuna ukuphila ngenxa yokuthi ugesi kawukho. We support all those things. As the president of the Prince Nation, I support all that. Yoguti, there must be some demonstrations that are happening in our country, showing exactly, speaking the language that our government hear better. Because uhulumeni wethu akayikho into akwaziwizwa ngaphandle kokuthi ninyaka zezinisukume nishiphe bese kunuka ke. Iyona language ayaziyo umsuzo, iyona language ayaziyo. Shiphani mafana, Suzani mafana, ayikhale. Ngithi ke mina bese kuzoba indaba yasephalaphala. Thabo Mbeki, I admire you, my president. I admire you speaking frankly, speaking consistently regarding Phalaphala and detailing it on details. Even yesterday, you were so superb. Thabo Mbeki, you're the leader. Thabo Mbeki, I admire you, my president. I admire you for staying frank, for speaking what we speak on the ground, and for making sure you don't lose the track and the momentum about your truthful, since you have once become our leader in our society. Ukuthi usho ngqo yokuthi uma usarza sesikhulumile ukuthi there was no declaration is an open secret. Indoda yale ishuthi iqamba amanga ayideclaranga le mali. Wathi unembeza kusho baba uThabo Mbeki, wathi unembeza wethu nembeza womuntu ophilayo, uyayibuza uyaconclude uyaqala uzakhele khona ukuthi ngempela kushuthi ukhona umuntu ongantanda nemali engaka ayayizwela ngaphandle, hayi ngisho yalelizwe eziyogqishwa kusofa ebephethizwe. Wathi how can you report the crime to a criminal? So ke sinatshobonyezwe masinjalo. How can you report a crime to a criminal? Because automatically he is a criminal. He must step down and allow other leaders to lead. Skona, yes, I'm available. Yes. Nkona. Ngapata discussion. We got the over consulting leader. We got the over consulting government leader. Abafuna ukubona laba bakubo. No, balta futhi kwesibili wenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ulalela abelunga phezulu kobelalela abantu abambekile njengabalunga kaKhongolose njengestrata sika ANC, aphinde futhi alalele nabantu abama dlela ndawonye neANC. He does not do that. He just go around and run and consult to the big gurus of this country. Therefore, as a president of the Prince Nation, I do support ukuthi EFF members and those people abafisa ukuba ingxenye ye national shutdown peacefully and respectfully, allowing the rule of law to take its course where it's due, ngoba ngeke siphike ezweni lakithi yokuthi sixubile kukhona abantu abaqondile kukhona abantu abangaqondile khona igebengu khona amasela khona amabhara azothatha iadvantage ye national shutdown a demonstration a peacefully futhi esifunayo sonke njengabantu bahlali baseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi mayenzeke futhi okwesibili siyayifuna ukuthi uhulumeni akezwe ngoba ilanguage ayizwa kangcono le yodlame nokunyakaza kwezwe ngendlela thizeni but we are not saying ukuthi akube nodlame never akungabi nadlame destroy infrastructure yethu sisebenzele kanzima iyakhandwa uhulumeni wobandlululo yakhandwa uhulumeni kakhongolose ngoba mningi imisebenzi emihle abayenzile uyeke nje lokuntshontsha kade bemntshontsha mkhona imisebenzi emihle abayenzile bakwethu amandla umuntu awadliwa kwaZulu ziningi izinto eziyintuthuko kulelizwe ezikhona lezi ke sikhala ngazo ke ezingathuthuki asidile nazo ke we must demonstrate and whoever wants to go must go and be the part of a demonstration yokuthi asijabule hulumeni njengoba manese kade enza nje evala abakliniki enzani etshengisa imizwa yawo kunjalo lokho ngithi mina makwenzeke peacefully and respecting the rule of law finish as the president of the Bank Nation wonke lo hulumeni lo khulumayo oba abantu abazama ukunisabisa uyabona nje uMalema seyiwinile ibattle before he start he has won the battle even before he start I'm telling you right now he has won the battle even before he start awukwazi ukuthi ungakhuluma commissioner ukhuluma amaphoyisa ukhulume ungqongqoshe ukhuluma amasosha ukhuluma amabhizinisi ukhuluma upresident bakhuluma konke kanye choir le choir cabinet get out the choir cabinet nisabi ingane encane you don't know politics you don't know nothing I can beat you 10 times knowing politics and analyzing politics uMalema ibhola lisekhwapheni loze libuye lezinto zwekhapha ugijima nani ibhola likuye ekhwapheni uMalema uyanehlula look at the whole South Africa is shaking and waiting for Malema's move he's already won it even Monday angavela hlala ngezilutho ayihlalele ibukele TV he has already demonstrated his freedom both right and his right of to protest and his right is freedom of speech and here and well done Malema well done EFF you have already showed them bafana bakithi ngithi mina shiphani bafana sewuyanuka Suzanne bafana kuyanyuka asibanyele laba izinja zakhala manje as the president of the Bank Nation I do support a peaceful protest and everything must be peaceful kodwa ningavumi ukusatsheswa abantu bangavumi futhi ukuzohlasela abantu bengenzi lutho kodwa abantu masebona bengena ehlathini abantu sebetapa itolo sebenza izinto ongafanele zenziwe then ke ababoshwe abafakwa ejele noma ke abajeze isijeze sibafanele ngoba lokho kube ngihambisani nomthetho sekelo wezwe izwe lethu siyalithanda futhi siyafisa ukuthi liye phambili kodwa sithi ayikhale iqiniso kube iqiniso imashi protest peacefully ayenzeke kungabi khona ama intimidations by our government this is not a banana republic this is not a government of abacindeze nobandlululo olwenzeka ngekhathi endala never we can never allow such stupid and nonsense to happen in our country again kwagcina ngabo baba bethu ukuhlola impipi bengena la eThekwini amabhunu namangisi ngeke kuphinde ukuthi bangabi nalungelo lokukhuluma bangabi nalungelo lokuhlangana thina njengamanje we are living in a democracy ziyakhala manje